For my technology-based assignment for my students to complete at the end of the year is I want them to create a play pause it, which is basically just a website where you put a video on and you can add questions in throughout just as checking points for your students. I started using these about mid-year due to the fact that I learned about it in this EDT 505 course. I really like the way that you can choose any video you find online, import it into this website, and then ask questions throughout the video where students respond to these questions logged into their account, and I get the feedback from these videos so I can see where the students are at. So at the end of the year, there's so much material that you cover, and you want to review it, but you want the students to have the opportunity to review what they need to know. So by having each student create a video like this, you'll be covering almost every topic covered in the school year. And if a student is struggling with that topic, they have somewhere to look for help. So first off, about play post-it that I like is when I go to the video, the website, if I start it from the beginning, here's my video.
On Earth. Alright? Now, what I'm going to talk about today is y equals mx plus b. It's also known as the slope-intercept formula. About to explain why. We'll start at the beginning. If you know what I'm talking about, skip to the end. Okay?
So my first question was, what does the m represent in the slope-intercept form? Students should know what this is. So as we were teaching it, they can type their answer in. So I'll say slope. I submit it, and then we continue on, and I will see what their answer is on my end.
M. It's very important.
And then you can play the video and go on. So what I want the students to do is to create a play post-it on a topic that I give them to cover the school year. So my example for the students is, because I haven't had them do it yet because we're not at the end of the year.
Familiarize our.
So what I want them to do is find a video on a topic. I picked arithmetic sequences. This is a topic that a lot of students struggle, so I took that topic already, and I said I'm going to make this video for them as their example. So I haven't done anything with my video yet. So what they would do is they'd play it, they'd find a spot. So let's see what's happening at 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Use K.
So I'd say add a question. Add a free response question. So what is the sequence changing by? What is the purple sequence changing by? Is that an arithmetic sequence? And then you save it at 101.
I'll use N to denote our index.
So then that would prompt at that point. That probably wasn't a good point to put that question at, because I wasn't really watching the video. So their end goal is to have an interactive video like this one here.
What's slope? Why they don't use S? I don't know. You have to ask them. B?
So then I ask them, what does B represent? They'll answer. So I'm going to say slope again, say I didn't know. I will see that my students don't know what B represents before this. So hopefully at the end of the video, they will know it's the y-intercept because he's going to go over it. So I'd have the same set of questions almost at the end of the video, just so that I'm really looking to see, okay, in the beginning of the video they got wrong. Did the video help them learn anything along the way? And that's the whole point of me wanting to use this. So then at the end, I put, did you end up with the same solution answer as the video? If not, where did you go wrong? I want them to reflect. Because one of the questions I had in the video was, try solving this problem on your own before watching it and give a solution. And this will let me see where my students are at with the material.